Hi everyone, I've decided to make this channel into a more general channel in sharing Buddhism via my daily interaction, mainly with my dog. It's about 7 a.m. Pacific time. I have to now go to let him go outside and pee as he is getting old. Let's do that. He's sleeping downstairs. We used to let him sleep upstairs, but he's getting old, so he sometimes pee outside of his routine. So that's why now he has to sleep downstairs. And he's usually grumpy in the morning when I let him out. Let's see how he is today. His name is Charlie Brown. So what is the Dharma in letting a dog out to pee? The Dharma is in the routine, meaning you decide to learn the Dharma, you just put a few minutes in every day if you could. Obviously longer is better, but if you could just put in a few minutes, then eventually things are gonna add up. Now I'm putting him back. My wife used a Snoopy blanket for him because she likes the characters from the Peanuts. I also keep the door open so that he can go out to pee whenever he needs to, and sometimes he does go out and enjoy the sunshine. I leave you with a 5 seconds chant where a keyword is return. Return to the routine. Be well. paścādbhakta piṇḍapāta pratikrāntaḥ